The subscribers free. The subscribers.
Baby. To every key there's a lock, to every bird there's a flock, to every boy there's a perfect girl, okay? So every wolf there's a pack and there's no turning back. It's either in or you're out in the cold, okay? So every bumble there's a bee, trouble look for me, yeah. That's my philosophy, yeah. To every girl there is a move that brings some crazy attitude that switches on and off like a crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, she's my baby. So every good there's a bad, sometimes you're happy then you're sad. It evens out eventually. So every lie there's a twitch, every tear there's an itch. It's worth the pain. Oh, there's a heart without a soul. Love will always be at home. I found my home in her heart, it seems. I found myself a pearl, a really crazy girl, but there's no me without this crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. I'm crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, oh, yeah. So every bumble there's a bee.
Today I said this, I'm just like, go and relax.
Yeah, cause
Since I've done every chore and something, you know?
then everything wash up thing or something.
Yeah, be send one can in I was honestly don't have them.
That's true. That I see that's why your wife. You understand? Wife material. Mm-hmm. How did you hear this morning?
Yeah, this morning me get the cane one night.
So what's problem there? Sleep so deep?
Mm-hmm. I was here saying, you know, the conversation. Because something go on last night, so you have to tell
A little you say?
Alright, holy
For something. Chocolate.
I got it.
Yeah, pepper. Rough. Where you are going? I tell you this, I appreciate you. And there's no one like you. I tell you that. But me have to thank you for choosing me to be that one for, marry you and something. Where in there?
Oh, maybe tell you, I see a while ago. Yeah, look washing.
Oh.
Remember
yes.
say white
That's true.
clothes, I don't wash them in the washing machine, so me take it out. Me soon put on the back door.
Okay. Yeah, so, me still not really like ring thing. You understand? Because ring is really my thing. That's why when I buy ring for me, I appreciate it, But it's like, me as a hook up upon my pants, and me, cut myself and something I don't really like about the in there still. Right?
No, me see it. But try whenever you go to need to put it on.
No, listen, I'm not going to church and put it on.
Yeah, different from church, and when you go, you must put it on.
Me weird, man, but I'm telling you, it kind of hamper me sometimes. Even sometimes I have a phone, crap on my phone, until I have no screen protector and stuff, and say crap up it. So there's a lot of things why I'm telling you.
Yeah, me understand.
It just always looks so
You
good.
see, thank you. You see, remember the something we order? They say come.
You come?
Yeah.
What do you mean, man? So order some more stuff because I don't know some love clothes now.
Alright, I'm not finishing order some.
I ordered the screen protector for my iPhone.
Alright.
I need it badly and so forth. But I say everything good, man.
But what you have to know be, you have to go up on the road.
Construction work site, I have a try to make you organize it. I don't know, sir. This is boy when I like when they give people things to do. And then I do it the way I want them to do it. So it kind of bother me sometimes when, the man them use have too much cement. You have to mix it with proportion. Everything, you know, is a detailed thing you have to do it by. I guess, you know, if you use 5 bags of cement, I ain't supposed to use 3.5. The cement go only, you know, is like over processed.
True.
You understand what I say? And if them use like 1 barrel a stone to 1 bag of cement. Yeah, I mean, so there's a lot of things. Yeah. So that's that. So we have to organize it in that way.
Okay.
If you don't do that way, then a problem. You understand? So that's that. But apart from that, we're good, man. So I'm just say we can deal with it, you know, like that. So we can start with the construction site. That's all. And after that, then we're good to go. So what are you going to do otherwise?
Yes, I'm very relaxed back.
Relax back?
I just make it honest.
Do it then. Do it because we love you enough. Love you alone. Nobody else. You hear me? Squeeze me now.
Yes, squeeze of me.
I love my baby. I love my baby. She's my only baby. Cause she never failed me. My baby. No, you don't sing for you. My baby.
Please stop.
My sugar baby.
Please stop. No,
You drive me crazy.
You're gonna butterflies.
Oh my God. So you have to get it. You give me Martina, that me think, I'm telling you, I say, yo, you know, being on pass, you don't feel special to me, babe. You know, you're a very special person. Outside of that.
I know, right? I'm that girl.
I know, babe. So thank you for choosing me. Like I said before, I'm not stop saying.
Every time, be, you know, you have to know myself, be. I always are telling me this.
I have to tell you.
You know, feel something I appreciate it.
No, but guess what, babe? You see, the man always say, when people are doing good, tell them. When people are special, tell them. The way till them pass and gone. When you forget to me, I say.
Yeah, that's something else.
So that's something for you every day. Wait till I come home. I go do it some more. And some more. And more. No, but your babes. I'm back in now. My mom, baby.
Careful, right?
Yes, baby. I'm very careful. Yeah. Very, very careful. No, I leave with my
I don't
phone.
know how jagged.
No, man. You know, you go already. You know what I mean? And then get some off. I forget to tell him. I can't have it. So we have to take one for me, man. We can't even start out here and tell me how much it will cost. I'm free, I know, I'm not lying. Hopefully not tell me a big price. But I know say if you tell me a big price, you have to take care of service. That's what I'm saying. Thanks, yeah. Thanks, yeah. My sugar baby, I love my baby.
Love you.
Love you, baby. I like to go here.
Yeah.
Alright.
What will I do without you?
So long, taking off from me, man. Where they so long? I'm going to this away from you.
Oh, it's a saucy.
Where you there so long?
Can't hug you from there.
No, but I hug me up because you're there, your girl yard, your wife yard. Come you want to know something. And to me one, you know. At 6 years now, you have to say you're going to left the girl. When you going to left the girl? Yeah, man. Like, love me, man. Look how long me out this away from you. Come like you not even love me again now. Oh.
Listen to me, I love you. Stop going like me, love you. You never love me when I come here right now. You know what I'm telling you? I said a while ago. I tell you, I have some construction site to deal with. Come here, go. Am I your wife?
Hey, look like you just said I'm your wife. Because you all stink our cologne. And you know, so they come on my door like when you smell like woman smell pan you. Can smell it?
I'm going to take off a shot.
That what that difference I got do? Are you just hug her and kiss her? Are you want to come hug up me and kiss me now?
Come kiss me.
Leave me alone, man. Wait, look, number one. What is going on? I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of this.
Listen. You make it seem like you don't understand the circumstances that are going on. Remember, say she take care of you. If she out of picture, we dead for hungry. Because we're not ready for settle upon work yet. Look how we enjoy our time. We have more time for anything else in this world. Come and make it you here. All this in your ears.
How would you not spend time with me?
What do you mean? So what do you must spend time with me, spend more time with you than she. What you talking about?
Feel like we can't take it no more. A long time we do this, you know.
Babe, everything will alright. You understand what I say? I love my baby.
At 6 years, you tell me that.
My only baby. You never fail me.
Anyway, mom took the money for buy the car.
Listen to me. You ask about car. Mama promised me, say she gonna take care of all the car and mash up. And never try to say me can. Me never carry still no old car there.
Me a girl, wait till me do that old car there. Me want a new car. I it me a talk about. You tell me about mama.
Why you make so much demands and you know what going already? What make you not go look at work? And second yourself and you can't take care of me.
Where you say
What you mean so me say?
You're mad. You remember when you there look me, I'm ask if you're financially stable to take care of me. And you tell me to not worry yourself. Because the woman who you married to have money. So you can't take care of me. So you're going to tell me about go look work for the one. Okay, now make me get ignorant, you know. Them something you always make me get ignorant, you know. Me no want you not buy no old car. When you're going to buy me the car, I'm telling you something I need.
You realize me I look for you? Look back for me I talk to you now. I'm mad. You know, sister, everything take time, girl. Everything you want, you get, and you now walk feet. Me understand, see how walk feet. But you can't understand the situation what we in because you're in it already. And you still love me, you know. You still need me, you know. Me need you too. This is the same way. Look for me I talk to you, know.
Me need things too. Me need
Okay,
things. Me need a car.
That can come with time, but guess what now? If mama go buy me a car now, and see it like certain way, you go pull out it.
Pull out who?
You mean?
I can't understand, you don't know who you're doing. Pull out who?
So what you say to me now? How can we work this out?
Can't work out because I need a car. And if you don't buy it, somebody else can buy it. So you choose where you want
Somebody
to
else
do.
go buy it. So go on then now.
No.
Go on, go do it then for that you say. You keep on trick me like say, every time you say it, then me say, yo, low me, don't call my phone, and you call my phone and pest me.
Me?
You mean? Now you say you want baby,
I must have made junk when I tell you that.
So, what you gonna do? Send it back? You plan to send back the baby or not?
No, can't give a baby, you know.
Yours
Adoption.
Adoption.
You may talk foolish, because I can't bother.
Adoption.
Remember your wife can't breathe, you know. Oh.
You tell us don't go there. Yo, make enough go there, so. So, yo, boy.
That's something to get everything what I want.
Even though you have to just go on like say, you know, work with the system, work with the program now.
May I get tired of the program and system?
You get tired of the program. Alright, you know. Don't call me on my phone.
No problem.
Simple as that. Yeah?
I remember say this can still dash way.
What can dash
So
way?
I don't have no problem. What do you mean what can dash way?
What can dash way? What can dash way? What can dash way?
This can dash way now.
Yo, I'm tell you this. You see, I go on like say, yo, you know me?
Hold on.
Let me say, hold on. You laugh.
Never laugh.
You
So
think I joke?
what you gonna do?
Think I
Kill
joke?
me?
It means I kill you. I not kill you. I know what you want to know. I know what you need.
I want some money. And I want a car. I'm tired for I want to know what's baby I come. Baby I come now. What you expect me to do? What can I take taxi the same way?
Yo, you see you? You have to know what you want. Because you pressure me right now if you go do what? What am I going to do? What am I going to do?
Tell the woman say you need a car. No, she fi take care of we. Now you say she got to take care of we. So never so no you ask me what you fi go do. I if she can't take care of you, left her and find somebody else to take care of we.
You see you? You see you?
You see me with
You
what?
see you? That's
With
all
what?
you do, create problem. Now I come myself to have a good time with you. See? For me, you wine and dine and look on the ocean. Soon sunset.
You know find that right about now. Me never feel good.
You mean you feel good, don't you?
I don't feel good. I feel for money, me I feel dizzy. That's why I tell you I need a car.
So because you're dizzy, yo.
Yeah, I need a little
Alright.
car for go up and carry me a boat and up. Cause me I got clink and then something that me not tell a taxi more car for go bring.
Your cousin still
for
in the yard?
drive got clink.
Your cousin in the yard?
Yeah.
Call her and tell her she come on. Come on, something right now, man. Tell her.
My
Honey
cousin,
feel, man. Honey
I
feel.
forgot come out.
Yes, because you mean say
You
if I
could
come
go
on, so what you
for
want?
go for your wife. Your wife not gonna work.
Me don't tell her say she have day off. Today I day off. That's why I have to meet you.
You can't send her go somewhere. Tell her say I said I got market go buy something for the house.
What I'm to you? So you want me to go do, and then she gonna catch me? For 6 years we
Tell
have
me the
one organized.
business.
And yo, stop wanna get no sense now.
You put like some business about your wife. Me no business about your wife. No, me really not give a shit about your wife. Me no business about her. She can breed. Can she breed?
You're going back on that again? Yo, come. Ready.
What me here for?
Let me say me I go down here. Call your cousin. Take your phone and call your cousin. Call your cousin and tell him.
Me not call.
Call your cousin and
So
tell
that's
him.
here for him. Him they gonna the house. Him not gonna know when him not go nowhere. Him woman a come check him today. She's supposed to down there already.
What you have on? You have on panty?
Something next house
You
where
wear
you
panty
have.
today? You wear panty today?
Me's a baby mother now. He said me the careless back then. I can't bother careless again.
Correct,
Me have to wear.
nice.
Me not going to know. See, come and feel the vice. So going to see. If we have a car, the car could work.
So, Kiara, are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to talk to her about that. Then just relax some. Yo. Something.
I'm not in a mood today. Me tell you something in a mood. I'm just not in a mood
I see you always say when we started, you know, I'm a top. Come in, man. Don't be forces, man.
Tomorrow, man.
Let me say,
Chop back, so I tell you
look at the
something.
shoes, man. Quick with water. See?
Me say, you see, any you owe me, I get 3 months. 3 months me I get for get that car.
Take off your clothes down, stop it, you chat too much, man.
I see you never.
Let me see. Take off.
Nah, take off my clothes, me I'm going in.
Alright, come in.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You giving me
Yeah. You know what, so.
Alright.
Yes, that's so.
Listen.
Like, you got beach?
No, no matter if I go to beach, but I go see, yes, because I have to check out.
Yes, yeah, beach.
Yeah, because you know, when I work on a construction site, it's like say the thing they call it now, the sun run out. So I forget to chop them and go down and see and say we can dig out some of the sand and carry down my place because you know. Them always say it's the sea sand better for use. Especially to fix certain things, you know?
Oh, understand.
So what's the day? Talk to me what you doing now?
My day went good, me sleep and me just like get up back.
That's all you have to do, is rest off and thing. But people more talking about something, you know. A taxi me take, babe. And taxi thing now work for me. A man like me if you take taxi, it's not a good vibe. So let me pop down. You understand?
Don't worry yourself, be something in process for you. Yes, you know, you don't have to worry yourself. Yes.
I love that. Oh my God, today was so hard. I'll do some work. Babe, I use a hammer.
I'm gonna have a fresh. As your food. I don't know if I really feel maybe eat something like
You cook?
yeah, your food and I microwave so.
Alright, babe, me tell you this. See? You see, even if I start the food today, I'm not gonna make it sound like me have a problem. Because I understand saying I really love the kitchen that much. So for you cook, that means that you really show effort and I appreciate it. Yeah? You love it, you know?
Yeah, me too.
Alright, you know. Sometimes I just think, boy, I'm just get so happy. Light up. Mosquito bite you?
Yeah.
You might go with a bit of that.
I never put on a mosquito repellent. Oh, that's right.
Yes, yeah, boy. Bust him again, bust him again. Boy!
Go on bed.
You been early? Or you been after? You been later?
Yeah, I'm bed later.
Big one that you know? If that one bite in a baby, it's set up like a blood pepper frog, you know, in fact,
I'll look on my red. I'll go bed.
Yeah?
Who this? Jessica. Oh. Oh. Something not going on, you know? Oh, you're the girl where work on a construction place. Oh. Alright, definitely. Me go tell him, say, we don't need him, I know. Alright. Babe!
Oh, me just a start being now.
No, come here.
Me a come.
Jessica call.
Eh? Listen.
Jessica call.
Oh. I want you to say what? I want you to say to you.
She has said something that going on my workplace. And if you come, say them not run things good down there. So
Oh, okay.
then if you come,
Let's go down back then.
yeah. So here.
So how my phone on there?
You leave it right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to go back right now. So I come back here.
Yeah.
So I come back, you can warm up the food for me. Yeah?
Yeah.
But you're right now.
Yeah, me alright.
So she won't say anything else?
No, why she doesn't something?
No, I think them need
No, you
more.
worker.
Yeah, but I wonder if she need no more than I side.
No, she just sound serious, like she has saying if you come right now because they not do the right thing down there, so.
Mm-hmm.
So.
That's how she said?
Yeah, that's how she.
Okay. I'm say she.
That's how she said.
Stand on me, yeah, baby. Stand on me, yeah.
Who's it? Feel it alone?
Good. Mm-hmm.
Feel it alone?
Good.
Go on the way out of them, I wait for you.
Yeah, I gotta do it fast. But it's like sometimes
What
I
happened to
beside
you?
them, just feel like no, I'm just come in.
Why you going so
Me just come in and you know really want to go back out. That me talk about.
Just go on. Remember say you're the boss, so you have to make sure so everything go good down there, so go on.
Right. Just no one left. That's the problem. But I got left, you know.
Yeah.
Something, right? Come on now. You are my baby. You never fail me. Right? No, not feel right.
No.
Make sure you know. Love you, yeah?
I love you too.
I'm gonna go fast and come back. See me can maybe there's some hammer they want down there or sit me alone.
This one serious, like
This one serious, don't you know?
something everyone doing there, so.
Alright.
Yeah, bye.
You mean you call me? You just left your one up, just sort you out.
Yeah, so I miss you already. You know, so we do down at the beach, we just enjoy it. I feel like we don't want more. That's why I call you.
But you can't make it seem like you can't understand the situation. Me just reach home, me just left your one. Look how much time our son said.
Yeah, so I feel like you can't spend too much time with your wife, you know. I need you to spend more time with me.
You understand what I say, but you have to understand everything. We have to do it together. I mean, you together. I mean, you together. Remember that?
I see so. Kevin me can't run gashi. Me I'm pregnant now.
Yes, I understand that, but remember say she take care of it. And if she not spend certain things to get drugs, and you know really there too far with the baby. You understand me I say, so we can't mash up anything. You don't tell me I go left for her. You understand me I say? But what's your son on the phone? Is your son like you upset or something? I mean, I know all this one answer my phone. Answer my phone like a female for your phone. Even though she by the blinking phone, she answer my backside phone. Eh?
You know, tell her say she don't answer your phone.
Me tell her that, babe. Me tell her that already. Me say, don't answer my phone. Me bother up one time. Till when she a walk, you know, yo, me I tell her, come
You know,
trip
about she, about me, you know. More you come spend a good time. You can't sit down in the yard with me
Eh?
tonight.
No, babe, you can't do me that. Not tonight. I must say work night shift, you know. So that's why I'm still on a fair yard. I can actually left and follow down there, so I pick up in the morning. No more tired. This
If
work
you
is
like, you
situation.
don't know how this is going, you know.
It's
But me need more attention now because I'm pregnant. So I'm going to need it for the day. For sitting down in the night. Me go do.
I'm to be virgin.
In Ghana work.
Yeah, but yes,
And him, listen, him have a woman who must stay with now.
alright. We talk to her about the car. Talk to her the car again, baby girl. Jesus Christ.
So get the guy.
Just want the car, man. You know, she see she was surprise you and give you a nice car. I don't know what kind of car.
Babes, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry for me there, babe, today. I'm in love with her. I don't want to lose it. That's why I tell me and babe. So I'm going to call you. Have take too long to come and do something, man.
Alright. You understand? I'm sorry too. Yeah?
Yeah.
We make it better, but we have to work with the system. You understand? We have to do what we have to do. Alright?
Alright.
I'm going and then sit
See, now I'm going to go down to the yard.
I don't really want people to see it as enough hide about.
So you can't have friends and say your woman watch and be.
No, I just don't want she see me and you and mark you. Because when you look at me sometimes, she go obviously know what I want. Or people go obviously know what I want. You understand? So we can't do that.
If you mind their business.
No, I'm looking at my yard. It's not move so fast.
So you're going to stay with me tomorrow. Then she work
No,
tomorrow.
she not work tomorrow. She work next week. After tomorrow. Yeah?
That's all I'm here for wait to see you.
No, you see me. Woman like your style though. Construction side, girl. Listen, girl. Hey, Mr.
Yes.
Mr. Bombas, my baby, I learn.
Of course.
For the year?
Yes, I'm going to learn coming on. You know what she catch on.
You go and go.
Oh, babes, you don't feel like saying she might have somebody else.
Nah, nobody else. She want me no. Me alone, she want.
What song? I'm me alone want you. Nobody else don't want you. Let them trick you.
I'm sure.
Yeah, me alone want you. Nobody else don't want you. I true she don't want nobody else to get to make you so she want so. But anyway, we're gonna work with her because it's true she provide for me. If we just work with her.
You like that song. Say it again. Say it again. Turn me on right now.
Me I go home because you
Want some more
nobody
right
will
here.
because you turn around and can't do nothing because you have to go up to wife.
Nobody
But
care,
anyway.
so we don't have fight. You know what I mean? Listen.
Alright, take care. Tomorrow we see
Yeah,
you.
so never go upset. Just so nobody watch about me and say me and watch your body. You know
No.
what I'm saying? Yahufa.
Yes.
Yahufa.
Yearns and
Yahufa.
alone. Yes.
Jesus! That is it, baby.
Alright, baby, take care.
Love you.
And I'm about to do too much with that. Save the coffee for tomorrow.
Come on, yeah?
Alright, baby.
Whoa!
What's your brother? Where there, so?
Brother, me and a friend. You talk
Yeah,
about
me
brother.
charge you, my brother like that,
What
man.
me do?
Go on.
Yeah, man. You see what if you don't want water, can give me word me water, give you.
I don't rain fall every day. No water, no. The girl no want
Then
water.
look thirsty, man. You want water, no, man. You want grease up and oil up, man.
Be a joke, this one, you know. I'm my boyfriend, me just go.
Oh?
For me to know my boyfriend. Be for that.
Right, she said, me like how they live as a gang. But differently now. If you mean it's a nigga, about that, you can't just come off for that now, but differently. I like how they live, you know. I saw them grow up, I live like a own, you know, but differently. And I tell you, every time I see you, hey, it's a jump, now my pants say, no tap jump.
Stop it.
It's a jump like a bunny, it's a jump like a bunny, rabbit, no tap jump.
Stop doing that. You know, so me and brother, nothing can run to it.
Which brother?
And me man, I love him. I always tell him, I'm a little man, I love, man. You know, so I'm pregnant.
From where?
Me I tell you, I'm pregnant.
All along, I feel like a belly bunny are weird.
Which part? I'm 2 months pregnant.
Jesus Christ, I'm still young.
You're crazy.
Yo,
Listen, man. I
see
don't
ya.
want nobody but my man.
See how's that going?
Stop it, man. You're me a friend. You're me a brother like that. But take me, you're a reason about anything. Be yourself.
So the reason don't go
No,
talk about the bird and the
I
tree
a
and the
little
sea.
girl for you.
Eh?
I feel a girl for you.
Boy, I do want to find out.
You know,
Eh?
never foolish with you, my brother. Stop be foolish, the man. You know,
Every
so
time
don't
I
know,
see
so
you,
me
I
have the
tell
little
you,
man.
see boy, you know, you sitting there on the top jump feet, there is a jump say like a body right, I tell you. You know, you give me problem. You give me enough problem,
you know,
you
stop being
give me
afraid of yourself,
headache, you know,
yeah.
say you give me headache. Yeah, look
Talk,
for
look at about something different. What go on with
see,
you today?
today, I'll mosquito one bite, you see me have a clap. Oh, don't bite her. Hey, don't bite her. You see,
So
you
where
can
I
kill
come
it.
from? Where I come from?
You see, though, you say, inquire about me, I come. You say, one knows about me, though. You know,
No,
easy
because
like that,
I'm a
you know.
virgin, I mean.
You know, easy, you know.
No,
you know,
you're
easy.
a
You see,
virgin, I'm a check for you. You don't know, say I'm virgin, I'm a check for you. But you know, me don't want nobody but my man. I love my man, and
Stop
I
talking
love
about
my
man,
man. Stop it, me don't want me to come go up, because you know, like, me not depend where you depend, you know. Or I'm tell you, so me not depend where you depend. Walk one.
Why? I tell you, I'm getting a chance to say, bust to the supermarket there, say, I tell you, yo, me can't wait for you tell you to your supermarket, you know. I'm
You
full
know,
of
say-
a grocery, you know.
You don't say you're drama, you're full of drama. What me I go? You
See you
stop
next
touch
time.
me, my man, see you touch me. Time jealous, you know.
Wanna come, man?
Where you gonna? Where you gonna? Where you gonna?
You wanna know me, I go?
Mm.
Now go look what me I have.
Alright, go on, so you see that tomorrow. Come on, man.
You can't wanna
No, man, come on. You're gonna take it too far.
No, me not take it too
No,
far.
man.
No.
Yeah, I'm charge you like that. Big up yourself and take care of yourself.
Alright,
Watch yourself on the
Me
road.
go on the road, man. I'm responsible for the street already, man.
So you work tonight and you just have a party.
Me, you know what? G weekend I go and I go rubber double
Oh,
on
that
the
knows.
weekend. You
You
know what
must
comes
find a
by your man
girl.
and carry out, you know.
You must fight. I can't go because I can't drink and I can't smoke like one day.
We can't buy
go.
sorry beer, girl. Sorry beer, I love sorry beer.
I love Serbia, but I don't want more too easy to fight. Man, remember I'm pregnant?
You know what going up here, man. Let me say it, sir. But next time I see you here,
Yeah, man, I'm around.
Nah, me, I just tell you see.
Watch your general, man.
I do me just a chat some now. Who brother said to me say like
Boy.
boy. What the things me a hear on road, you know, my friend and me have
Eh?
yeah man, me say me have to go and check my virgin.
Good things that talk
Good
about.
things I chat all the things
Yeah.
I want to something there.
You know what?
Yeah, well, you're going, man.
Hold on, man. You know, so we have to juggle because brother don't tell them. Since I get the little injury after I work there and thing, I'm collect the little money. It's like I don't really want to go back and work and for me,
Yeah,
ask my wife and say to me, say, yo, stay off and, you know, relax and she'll take care of everything. So, life's sweet, nah, you know what I mean?
Chat.
And then the woman, you know, when I meet her, I'm by her, long time, brother, she run in certain way. And the running, what she running is like, she can't think, my brother. So you can't, it's like,
Want yourself,
that's true.
Boy, no, that's a thing system, mad, you know.
Mm.
You're going like you don't know. You're going like you don't know.
That's what you know, man. So, but we have control and we deal with things, you know. You know what I mean? But I mean, we have, you see last time when certain things happen certain way. I'm going to say we experience that street, you know.
Yeah, we know, but that experience alone can't beat me, boy.
Yo, respect, man. Exactly. So how with you? How things?
It's a freestyle.
Ah, that is it.
Salad and pie.
Yeah, easy.
Salad and pie.
That is it. That is the vibe for sure, bro.
Right now, boy. The girl must done cooking up. Right now.
Oh, she be, she good.
You know, say tell the truth, though, my boy. Sometimes he ain't take it. We can't manage sometimes, but you know, my wife, me have to just go on now, man.
Easy with that, true.
Yeah.
I mean, man, you have to do it, brother. And if you want to juggle, you're juggling, but man, tell us you have to know.
You don't want to tell me, no. She like you try to tell me, say, if you go freestyle for the side, too. Remember me, they say, pussy and dog, now the same look.
That's true.
You know, when we go so rude, a screw.
That's true.
You see me, cause anything, they say, what they say? What they say, boss? What's just slip your slide? Yeah, we don't want to sit there and slide, my friend.
Well, yeah, we are money now, so we have to control it, you know what I mean? And right now, we see us moment here, me control all the birds. You know what I mean? Lock the purse, brother. I mean, tell her how to spend, when to spend, and what to spend on. You know what I mean? Yeah, right now, yo, it's today. Go down on the beach and I sort out my mother, you know. And mama go on miserable and I know say a little sort out she want. And what I tell the brother? I tell the girl say I hear me irritated. Troops me reach at my yard, woman call my phone. And that want to kill you. Brother, me say, woman say she want more, but I can't breathe still, you know, because from my wife I can't breathe, you know. But I have a problem, so she you know.
You say my sister can't breathe?
No.
I'm old.
Well, I don't say I'm old, but we are try. If you work, you work, but you know, for right now, I'm going to run a road.
If naturally know that boy, if you say you want your legacy and you not work,
But that man,
you go so see you.
That brother, so right now, I'm kind of second one way, you know, she know what I road one know what I want.
Jonathan Palmer wait for you. Yo, we are growing the road, that's all.
Yeah, easy, you know.
Jonathan Palmer wait for you.
Alright, boy.
Say, I made say me to go look here from see me friend and me. Why you just run from my taxi, you know?
So you listen.
Chat me and my friend a chat. So you look so.
You can't bring up the dress now and know see out there with no next girl.
Baby, don't worry yourself. When you go on like you know say you have an aunt. They are most.
And that you may say.
That one someone alright, ask one question. Can I ask one question?
Why?
Why are you accusing me of stuff that you don't sure of?
You know, accuse you
Alright,
because only one still you know, like I'm one woman.
So you know say me and them are same thing.
You never say all I see everything, you know, me just say something.
I like to stare sometimes, you know. Put on a smile for me, yeah, I'm not so.
You know, I smile.
Yeah, and you look very nice. So yeah, the way I try to tell me say, you're not gonna smile because of what you baked.
Yes, because there's a way to learn.
Stop doing it, bro. No one of them foolishness. No one of them foolishness. No one of them foolishness. Yo.
You know what I do,
Why? That me tell my friends when I come for still from man, we not consume no food still, you know.
So I see a pet man to come, somebody they pass through some
Funny. Funny. Go show your own, go get it.
I'm going to share the you know, you ever say what I do?
It was a prank. It was a prank. It was a
Wake
prank. If you make me know where you can ride the car, watch out. Almost prank you, prank me. Ah, fuck. Me tell for my friend, say, me go check for my girl now. If you look for food, and then you go tell me, say,
no food that day. Rough.
rough fit you.
Anyway, so you're going back after
Then
it?
when if you go do them, you know, if you go look something, you have food in there. Trouble.
What is it here?
You don't know what you say. What you say?
I think I had chat. So the one then alright. Yeah, we girls are drugs. Girls are drugs.
You know, say my auntie did buy me though.
Who that? Oh, pull the door and come in. Pull the door and come in.
Hi.
Oh, God.
Name of you?
Come on. Yes.
Can sit down?
Yeah, man, you can see them. Yeah, I'm going to go inside, go home and wash your hair.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Well, alright. We're being nice today, you know. But one thing though, everybody at office miss you.
They miss them boss.
Mm.
Yeah, tell her what. Anyways, And also really actually do. We have to take some time off because I'm tired. You understand me? I'm tired. And different that make it some good type of time off because the secretly buy one care from my husband.
Alive.
Yes, yes. No, feel like.
So all you just tell me this, like, me always be first person you tell everything. So what happened?
Alright, listen. It's a surprise thing. You know, say first person I tell things, right? But no, you know you're gonna link me at the right time. But listen, I'm gonna make you know about it, you know. Because it might go move forward, you say, it might be a taxi and this and that, so maybe I forget him one.
Well, that's the right thing because your man not supposed to take taxi. That not look good. But by the way, someone will not get married.
We're married already.
Huh?
We're married already.
So I ring there.
That I think. You see, look at nosy people out there work. Yes, I don't do. I mean, no one of business. I know me to certain things.
I understand that, boss, but you're supposed to wear a ring. Own
Yeah,
your
me
man,
know.
own your relationship.
Yeah, me
your
know.
wife, you're a boss.
Hey, don't do what I do there. Me know about, you know how me stand.
Well, you're not really fussy over certain things and you make certain things bother you. So, I understand what you're saying, everything. So, when you come back at work?
Soon, very soon.
No, that not sound good at
Soon come back at work. I don't want a little time off myself, you know.
You can't have so much work problems. It hurt me. And I kill me, man.
I mean, know you do a good job.
Yeah, no sense.
That's why you're paid them ever more than for them one because you do a good job. Them just want to chat.
That's why I'm good for your office. That's why I'm lucky friend with them.
Anyways, you're good different.
Yeah, I'm good. Me just say me have to come check you and tell us that we miss your work today.
Okay.
Miss your man.
Miss you too, you know.
You know, me would go buy lunch with me and me in the office and chat.
Alright, here I go. When I go look out for me by Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Yeah.
Man, Wednesday too far.
Wednesday what?
Wednesday far.
No, but I quit Wednesday coming after work. So.
Acha. You know, that time me quit and no Wednesday no reach.
Oh.
Well, I'm glad to say you're alright and you're not sick and you did do this because of your fiancé. Your husband. No, not your fiancé, your husband. Husband. And I hope say the husband will be himself and you know trouble in the relationship.
No.
Because you know, the man you tell them love have a next woman on his side. Me not corroborate,
You
you know.
don't say that easy when they come to me with them something, you know.
It's the truth. You have to know what you're doing in the time when you're married to them, man. They want somebody else on the side of business with you. They will come to you and pretend, but I can't pretend with you.
True, but honestly, the man, I want to good man, this and make it correct. That's what I know.
Miss, trust you're a good man. Just shine your eye. Nobody sit down to comfortable and face everything. Alright, shine your eye. Me know, see, I love him still come and see you. Yeah, buy him car. All I do shine your eye, yeah, boss.
Mom, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a friend or what?
Yeah.
Thing good? Good. Listen. You there? We'll go and talk, you know what I mean? And think.
No, it's okay. You guys can from the car.
No, I'm not careful, man. Come
No,
on,
man, she take time off for you to spend time with her husband. So, my time to leave now. We're not supposed to be there when the husband is there. So, boss,
Alright.
you want
Right.
to see how okay?
Yeah.
You love yourself.
Right, yeah.
Alright, there we go. Listen.
So, what I'm doing
Yeah, if you never go down there, problem. If me never go down there, it would have been problem. All my hard work would have been in vain. Can you believe it? But thank God I'm so talented and so gifted. That's, me save it day again. You know what I mean? Your man do that. Your husband do that. Oh my God.
Yeah. Come on, grab a shower.
You ready?
I'm tired.
Let's start the pot. Let's start the pot. Now you're hungry. Let's start the bath now. Yeah? I'm a little bit tired. You know, like.
Alright.
Yeah. When I come here?
Yeah.
Me I come. David.
Yeah.
What you doing, sir? I don't do.
Nothing.
Hmm?
Nothing.
You know so.
You know something like that?
Yes.
You know somewhere the empty here, right?
Yes.
You know me appreciate it, right?
Yes, you're scared when I want me.
And there is nothing too good.
Mm-hmm.
Finish the statement.
Let me forget.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, so come here.
Hmm?
Come here. Close the eye.
Hmm?
Close the eye. Just turn around, close the eye. Go like this. Yes. Look. Ta-da! Yes.
Mine?
Yes. We get a car, brand new car. Well plastic, everything.
Allah ya tell.
I swear it.
Allah. Feel me?
Yes.
You serious?
Yes.
For this? Is that for me?
Yes. Why?
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Uncle tight no man. You serious? Plastic pass, see? Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Jesus, pretty much. Jesus, pretty much.
I like it.
I love it, babe. I love you. I love you. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Watch. Watch.
No.
You drunk too much.
So, we're going inside now. Okay? No, dear. No, dear. No bother with that. Dear, stop now. Dear, don't make me crazy. Alright.
Can't take for your big tour.
Dear, you know. No! Look, see people look on you.
No missing people, hello.
Alright, come on. Come on. Come on.
Look, this song I can't come in first. Why? I can't believe it! Yeah! You just spell new. New babe.
Yeah, dear.
I tell you, what you feel? Super fashionistic. You swear the door shit. Come here, let's start here. Come here, let's start here.
Alright.
Come. We have got 2 rounds for that.
Watch out. How are you there, sir?
Can't sleep.
Me say, you don't know, say, some little dirty baby father.
What you
Come
say?
in, woman buy car, give me can't see him. I don't know yet, me go down.
Where go?
Don't I'm yard.
Go do what?
Where me go do one? My baby father, him breed me, you know. I'm here to pick on my belly. And a couple of days, when me I call him on the boy now, I say, to the girl by the car, give him.
Jesus Christ.
Look at
Hot chalala, jump in a hot frying pan. Hey, hey.
You gonna follow me or you not gonna follow me?
Follow you? When me there tell yourself, you know? When you tell yourself, you know that boy, look at that one, no one out of life. I see him breathe around car with woman. God almighty. So what you gonna do now?
Me gonna go yard, you deaf?
Boy, what you gonna do?
Me gonna create a stink. I remember me now. Remember my wife can't breathe and I'm having pity on my baby. So don't go to the yard, me go. It's either you go follow me or not follow me. What you do?
Boy, me a good friend now. You want to follow you go?
Hey, don't worry, you know what? Me not go bother go down on here. This is the car. Me go to get him attention. Me go set it on fire.
No!
What you mean by
this is what I say no. This is what I'm saying carefully. Make me go out, consume some nice food, have a nice drink, and just take a man after that they carry the man.
You mad? You shouldn't answer me agree to the man, baby. I'm to take a man after him just so.
Listen. Every minute you come talk about man. Me tell you right now you come and talk about man. Me is the right man for you. Me can cover everything, every bit, every problem.
Cut out the foolish. Me your friend. If me your friend, you would have helped me do this. Me gonna call the gas station and buy some gas.
Mama, listen to me I say now. Me can't light it. Me a fire expert.
Me I feel like if you feel better than myself.
No.
Me not like it, me not gonna feel
you might light it and burn up yourself.
It
but
don't
me
matter.
light it.
Me just want to know say me light it.
You know feel like fire, you ever light a fire before?
Yeah, me like fire before. Look here, you have a friend, I am a
Listen,
friend.
you say where you burn down and me burn down that. So me a fireman. So what you know? Where you want? Where you want?
Yes.
Basket put the gas in the where you want? Where you
Want
put the
a
gas
back
in?
like yes. Want.
Oh, I'm not going to back.
This guy my gas?
Yes, man. You know what more than that. You say you know about fire. Me a fire expert.
Tell her so me a come.
So me can't come with you?
No, me no want you to come. You go encourage me. Nothing buy no gas. Just stay there so me soon come.
That's why you know. Go and go do it.
Soon come, man. Me buy the gas and come back.
That's right. In your pretty. A long time I want to see you. She not here. Man. Because long me I tell you say me a best man for you. Eh? Best for the benefit, man. Yeah.
Come on, man. You what's too big, sir?
You mean business? You tell me you're really gonna get gas with you.
Then I long me attack. I think I joke me, make.
You think I was joking?
Eh?
You ready?
Yeah, I'm
Come on.
ready.
You lead the way. Come on, if you're real fair.
To the car, yeah. My car.
This one me I say no. This one me I say no. You don't feel like fire.
Yeah,
You might listen. I know so. You might like you burn up yourself.
Me nah
This
burn
one me I say
myself.
no. When you sprint it for it, and run one look mark for like your mark. So I like it for the mark. You say if you want to like it, you surely burn up yourself in the car.
Come on, guys. Take some of that towards car.
But me will like it.
It's alright. Maybe you don't want to like. You don't want to put it on top.
I say you want to burn up car. You say you do the man. So. Yeah, play. Stop. Take me teacher, hold. I'm a teacher and all in there. Make one look mark come out now.
I have to get him attention. Like when me can't see him, me have to see him now when it burn up.
So after this, I know me are good.
I don't want you. Me pregnant. Me want my baby father. I attention me
So all of
want.
this year, me I go through.
Come now, it's like
Woman wicked enough.
Give me like that.
You like it? Are you like
Me
it?
will like it.
You like it? Like it
Give
for
me.
this?
No, me I like fire.
No, you have like for this, you idiot.
You know me not like what you say. Yeah, me which person for like
Light it.
Where?
That's up. You see now light.
It's not like.
So what you have to do if you don't like?
Yes, the rest of them.
No, you can't go like this. You idiot. You burn me up too now. You burn up yourself too. You burn up yourself. What you mean? Can you go near to the car and light it? I mean,
No,
catch a fire, catch a fire.
No.
No, but if you burn up yourself, how you get a nice, sexy body?
Excuse, look here. You have one too much on up. But tell us that this is a body all of me, man. I just want to get him attention with me and do all of this.
Come on, that's too wicked enough.
Come man, leave me alone. I'm going to like my man here.
Woman!
Where there? You good? Sana, you tell about the I'm here. What?
I'm clear, you good?
Alright.
I realize you call me enough time and things, but I just when get so busy and so forth. So I kind of, when I spend some time with a little bit. Because I don't tell you, say, after a certain time when I spend time with you, right?
So long?
Yeah. You know you go already, an investment.
Could I investment?
Oh, you look like you want
No, avant what?
You like say, what is that? Huh?
So you want to say because you have spent time with your wife, but you couldn't answer me any at all?
No, the time then when you call me is just that. And remember, say, she went just buy me a new car and me want enjoy with her first and then can enjoy with her after.
So me if I always get the what left?
I'm not saying that. Don't do that. Right? Me I tell you what you're going. Why is it you can't understand circumstances, woman?
You don't understand, because me pregnant, they can't do business with me. How much days?
Hear me now. You wouldn't believe what happened.
What happened?
Each day they make park the car out the door, walk in the house. Then we come out, walk up a China man, see me buy some stuff. And come back and on my way back, as a matter of fact, me hear fire brigade. A blaze pass. When me see fire brigade, I say, what could have happened now? And me a cuss the fire brigade saying too loud in that damn place. When me go down the road and take a stop, I feel me carry a burn up. Light on fire.
I let you tell.
Yeah, I tell you.
So that means if the car name burn up, you ought to come here tonight? Eh?
What means if you can't? What you talking about?
So actually the car burn up, make you reach out tonight? May I ask you?
No, I don't plan to come out. That's my test. I'm going to enjoy the first week with her and the second week with you. Come to you.
Oh, baby, I kick me.
Baby kick you?
Baby, I kick me.
Say your baby kick up also?
No, me I just say baby, I kick me. Baby, I kick me. You know when baby, I kick you, you feel the pain all about on your back. True, I'm a sinus surgery and I'm just miserable.
So like, I long time we seen us and long and close. I want to just come up like say what?
Cool, you may tell say me cool, I don't know. Me just feel sick, my sinus are drained and everything.
AC turn off, what means you're cold?
But I'm still cold, realize the AC turn off and the fan barely turn off.
So is that more?
Me don't feel good. And the baby constantly I keep. I don't ever try that you stay with so long with wife. Now you come the baby a rebel.
Okay.
So if you baby kick up your belly and go along, because you's not there as a father, so now you come now and in there for why you around me right now. So you stay with so long. Yeah, right, man, I'm a bed me I go because I don't feel good.
So I can't get no nice something?
Because guess what now? My menstrual all come. I'm my menstrual.
What do you mean menstrual? You're pregnant? You're talking about?
Yeah, what's
up? You should spot, I'll check it out the doctor.
No, I'm not spotty. I know me at about. Enough women still see them menstrual every month when they're pregnant. You never know that?
Alright, come. Alright, so you're my god.
You see? Actually, your woman can't breathe, and you down the road if you know what take place. If you mean to guy, so you can't listen with wife, with the girl we can't breathe. When you gonna live for girl, man? To get enough money and make me can go live life together. Because me, your baby mother, me breed for life. So you have to left that woman because she can't. Who tell you married to a woman want me? You
never know, say I'm my married. It makes it sound like me genuinely know certain things. So if I know that more, but it's not even about that. Me rate her. And at that when spark the connection. You understand? I want to go for him, man.
yeah, I don't
in the mood, man. Let me tell you,
You never feel so
the
like
baby don't want you around. The baby don't want you to. The baby don't even want you around me right
your back
about
feel
now.
like you wrap up.
Nothing wrong with my back. Leave me back, man.
Your back hurt?
Yeah, me tell you, say the baby. So the baby kick up on a girl. The baby don't want you around now. Cause when I did fit tell you for the baby, you never did it. Much days me not pay and I call your phone. And you not even answer me. You say the thief and answer me and say to me say, boy, me soon call you back. None of this would have take place there now. The baby will have welcome you. Cause all the while the baby welcome you. But tonight the baby don't want to see you none all. Because about a week I don't want to see you. Can you look top of me exaggerating now? It's a week I don't want to see you.
You're my good. I'm going to try to see if I can organize certain things. Because right now, I need to talk to her about what the car costs. You know.
Make sure buy a new one. She have money.
I say no, but if you know, like right now, I don't know. Oh, today, you say me okay her, make me go talk to her. So I'm going to reason with her and see what I'm going to do. But me talk to you, here.
Yeah, take care of yourself and walk safe.
Just don't call me call him. I'll call her this time, here. You'll find time to call her and
You
check
better because me, you know, you see, in time my mind tell me something now, I hit me work with you know, and if my mind tell me if you come down there, and down there me I come, because she have to know say me I carry a picnic.
Well, we can say that now.
Oh.
Don't do that foolishness, man. You hear me, sir?
It's alright. You take your time, go on. The baby they go and see the baby miserable.
The belly just look like what? Something can wrap up like
No wrong with me. Me cold. Every time I cold. So me cold. Me put on my little sweater and my little sweatpants. Me alright, man. Other than the baby, no, me don't want to over my one next time. The baby in a mood. You know, you must say baby in a mood to see you. Go on, when the baby want to see you, we can admit never see you. Go on, man. We just God say if we don't see you, alright.
alright, later, here.
Your daddy say later. Because I don't know why you don't want to see him.
So we can't talk. We can't
No, go on. The next time you talk to him or her. And I feel like that with me have to come extra miserable. And I want more than one something to eat at that time. I don't need someone. Send someone to back up. I need to go grocery shopping.
Alright, she's supposed to send someone to me tomorrow. So by tomorrow, maybe send a half five.
I want more than 100,000. Remember 3 me I eat for. Me and the 2 baby them.
Alright, we talk. Yeah.
Yeah, take time. Go on tomorrow, yeah?
I don't understand you wrap up like another shit.
One, mommy just cold, so I have to wrap up.
But white,
I don't want nothing wrong. I don't want the baby catch cold now. That's why I wrap up, so.
Can't get that chops.
No, man. Go on, man. We don't in the mood, man. The baby say, me no fit.
Yeah, call me phone every second. I know me come and me can't get a hug and a kiss. So what you call me for? Why say? You know what? Everything good. Let me get the picture now.
Take care of yourself. When me go and take care of the twin them. Take care.
I don't think I want.
It's alright. You can say what you want to say and me I feel it. And if me am extra, me there I am fit 2 and me feel like a 3 me and I am for now that me say a twin. Nobody can tell me I'm not twin. So my body burn up, my body burn up. Me say, I idiot boy the way say me and my friend. What make your say to me? Don't go so close to the car. He said, true, me ignorant, me don't like the things, you know. Watch it, me in a pain and me have to tell him, be a lie. Be a lie. Why? You gotta take me like a time and come my bed here, come in and feel good. My body burn up. Jesus. My body burn up. Jesus. My body burn up, Father, God help me.
The car burn up, car blast up. How the car just blast up, so I don't know. It's like the situation happening, me I wonder from which angle. Because you buy me car, me happy. Sometimes people just, tell me say, maybe somebody throw gas money, maybe somebody wanna pass by a light fire. One type of situation. Because I want to campaign when I go on.
You start from when you say accidents are accidents, you know. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You gonna hang yourself?
I hang yourself, but I'm upset, man.
You gonna hang yourself? You're upset when I'm gonna say, Just don't worry yourself.
Baby, no hard and long more on new car. I'm comfortable in a car
It's
driving.
not gonna be long this time. Insurance gonna cover everything, so I'm making it once.
You cover insurance. Oh. So babe, one next question I ask you, why is it that you put the car in your name? Like I feel my car and you put my feeling.
Yeah, we really don't worry about that too.
No, bro, just ask you a question.
Yeah, my husband, you know. Everything
true.
I feel, you know. You understand? And here we're going now. It be here. You never left your ID. So you just have to use mine and get it. You understand? Yeah. So cheer up now.
As long as I say that still. So how long insurance take to get back the car? Everything. Like,
Not 2 months time.
2 months? Oh, Jesus Christ. Why?
Alright, we can't have somebody. Alright, listen. No worry yourself. We not take so long. No 2 months. Look out feet by next 2 weeks.
It's 2 weeks. Can't work with that still, but might have to borrow your car. No, just like to borrow work and so forth, might have to borrow your car again. I never really want to go back this or that me a talk about. That's why I'm so vexed. You understand me? I say, if you go back around place so me borrow your car, drop your work and then borrow your car, and then when you're ready, sometimes you want to go do this and do that, me feel left off of the site and then come back come drop it this up. It's kind of complicated. Someone kind of happy, baby. But kind of happy. Knowing so that when go on and, you know, we get a level of comfort. When you forget to me, babe, look on me and talk to you, babe. Come here, can you agree with me slightly? What happened?
You know,
What happened?
you need to come service me. That happened. So come on then. And stop from worry yourself because I'm saying in the next 2 weeks you're gonna have a car to drive back. So come on and stop worry yourself. Cheer up now.
Cheer up, man. Cheer up.
You love me?
Major discovery, baby. To every key there's a lock, to every bird there's a flock, to every boy there's a perfect girl, yeah. To every wolf there's a pack and there's no turning back. It's either in or you're out in the cold, yeah. To every bumble there's a bee, trouble look for me, yeah. That's my philosophy, yeah. To every girl there is a move that brings some crazy attitude that switches on and off like a crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, she's my baby. So every good there's a bad, sometimes you're happy then you're sad. It evens out eventually. To every lie there's a twitch, every tear there's an itch. It's worth the pain. Oh, there's a heart without a soul. Love will always be at home. I found my home in her heart, it seems. I found myself a pearl, a really crazy girl, but there's no me without this crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah, yeah. So every bumble there's a bee, trouble look for me, yeah. That's my philosophy, yeah. You see, everywhere I go, I want the whole world to know this crazy girl belongs to me. 'Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. but she's my baby, yeah, yeah. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. I'm crazy, crazy. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. I'm crazy. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah, baby. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with my baby, but she's so crazy.